I'm here for it. Look at that! Look at that! I'm definitely getting more colors in this wig. Hands down, sensational. You sold me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. I haven't said that in a while because I haven't recorded in a while. Today, I do have a new wig for you guys, and I like this wig. I'm letting you know off the jump. I like this wig. If you are looking for a perfect human hair, silky, straight dupe, this wig is it. Hands down. She's it. But in this video, I'm going to kind of walk you through step by step my laydown process because I haven't installed a wig in a very long time, and this one was a little struggle for me. I'm not sure if it's because I haven't put a wig on in so long or if it was just a struggle. Either way, I'm going to walk you through and wrap it up with my final thoughts and let y'all know how I feel about this wig. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump in. So today we have the sensational wet lace human hair blend Mariella wig. She's 26 inches in the color number 2. She does come in a lot of other pretty melt colors. So first off the bat, guys, this texture of this wig is really nice. It does feel like a human hair wig with these premium synthetic fibers. You're going to get a 13x6 lace frontal, combs in the front, one in the back, and you're going to get elastic band to wear her glueless. It comes with this mesh cap, and this is what she's looking like on my head. So on this day I couldn't find my black wig caps. I definitely recommend wearing a black wig cap because I was able to see that line of demarcation. So I went in with my transparent wig caps, but then you still was able to see it, so I just went with the ball cap. You don't have to do that, but just get like a black wig cap. So this is what she's looking like. She was looking good, y'all. So this hairline looks amazing, I must say, but y'all know me, I had to go in and just kind of customize her up a little bit. So I'll start off with my hot comb to brush those hairs back, and then I'm going to go in just kind of a different technique and tweeze up this hairline. If you need help with plucking up your synthetic wig, I have a synthetic wig plucking tutorial and I'll link it in the cards. So this is what she's looking like after, and this is the hair that I got. So now I'm going in with my razor. I definitely recommend using a razor to cut your lace, or use scissors, but just go in like a jagged motion to get it not looking so straight. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is just to tint the lace, guys, because it doesn't match my complexion, and I'm just trying to get it to match my skin tone as much as possible. And this is what she's looking like. Looking really good, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I already knew what this wig was gonna look like because she was already starting to hit. Now I'm just cleaning up my forehead a little bit just to apply that lace, and I also did forget to like match my ball cap with my complexion, so that's all I was doing there. I'm brushing back the hairs, and now I'm going to secure the wig. I like to secure my wigs with bedhead. This is not glue, guys. This is a temporary adhesive. I also do have another video of many other lace adhesives that you can use. I'll have that all linked in my cards. These are just temporary adhesives just for the day or two. It's not glue, it's temporary adhesives. Now I'm just pressing in that lace. It does make a difference when you do press in the lace, and I'm pressing, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just to melt it some more, and I'm pressing as I'm drying the wig, and then I'm doing the other side, and I'm doing all of this before I apply my elastic band. I'm trying to get it a little tacky or a little more somewhat dry before I apply my elastic band, so go in with your blow dryer. Next, I'm just going in with my elastic bands. I like the ones with the Velcro ends. I'll leave all the links for everything under Wig Essentials linked in my description box if you need any wig tools. And y'all see that melt? Y'all see how it is melting? You want to really try to match that lace as much to your complexion as possible because we're trying to make these wigs look like they're coming out of our scalp, okay? So next I'm going to go in and I'm going to swoop some baby hairs. But guys, guess what? My camera was not on and I totally did not record this part, so I'm so sorry. I was like trying to explain to y'all what I did, and I was just like, you know what, give up, like forget it. So I'm going in with some melting spray after this. Find that spraying my melting spray into like a container and then using a brush to apply it is much better than just spraying it directly. I'll probably do like a video to show you guys exactly what I'm doing, like a short video or something. So now I'm just detangling the wig and I'm getting that part in place, you know, because we trying to do the bust down middle part. But as you guys see, we have all this parting space. Like, it's a lot of good parting space if you want to wear this wig up, if you want to wear her to the side, if you could do what you you want to do. It's your wig, it's your life. So now I'm going in with my wig products to detangle the wig. I definitely recommend getting some synthetic wig spray mixed with like a silicone spray or silicone serum, because this combination does help with detangling your wig, and a wig detangling brush just like this. Again, I will leave everything linked under Wig Essentials. You can get it off Amazon. I do have a storefront, and shopping there does kind of help me out. Anyway, so I'm going in with my hot comb, you know, because we're trying to really make like this wig is coming out of our scalp. Yes, we know it's not real hair, it's a wig, but we're trying to make it look as natural as possible. Now, this part right here, I probably shouldn't have went in with more contour. I thought that it was seeing like a cast, but I should stop there, because if you guys will notice later on in the video, it's kind of a little too dark, but I was trying to really master melting this wig and I kind of messed it up. Anyway, so I'm going in with my concealer in my part just to kind of brighten it up. I'm just cleaning up that part a little bit, and that's pretty much it, y'all. The wig is flawless. The wig is looking good. Okay guys, so I'm finished putting on this wig. What a day it has been. How y'all doing? It's been so long since I talked to you guys. First of all, I can't keep recording videos and then like stopping because I get all discombobulated. Anyway, let's go ahead and talk about this beauty, because she's gorgeous, y'all. So this wig that I have right here, it's a newer wig from Sensational. It's from the What Lace collection, and it's a human hair blend. Y'all know how I feel about human hair blends. I get excited when I review human hair blends. Let's go, baby, let's go! And Sensational is bringing us these human hair blend wigs. The last one that I reviewed from this collection, I think it was Isra, but I wanted to see a straighter one. And I also reviewed a human hair blend, but that was from the Butter Lace collection. This one is a whole 13x6 wig. So let me go ahead and give you some specs and then wrap it up and tell you guys how I feel. Again, this is a 13x6 lace frontal. The lace kind of stops right here, but you can part this wig wherever you like. I chose to go in the middle because you can't go wrong with a middle part sleek down wig, y'all. Like, she's oh. My K was all messed up. Y'all ain't tell me. Sorry, but you can't go wrong with a middle part wig. So I haven't filmed in so long that everything is just all messed up, y'all. Like, my background's all messed up. I'm sorry I'm getting distracted, but it gotta be right. It has to look right on camera. Like I was saying, you cannot go wrong with a middle part wig. And this is definitely a bust down middle part wig. It's the style Mariella in 26 inches. I have the color number 2. It does come in some other pretty colors, which I showed you guys earlier. Some melt colors. I'm really curious to see what those other colors look like. I do want to go back and get some more colors, y'all, because this wig is definitely a banger. Caramel, chocolate, your golds, and those are some nice pretty colors. So I think I want to go back and get some more colors because I like this wig. As far as the cap goes, this cap feels really comfortable on my head, y'all. I don't have any issues. The cap is really comfortable. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. I can't keep doing this in and out wig review stuff because it takes me all day for one wig. I just don't be knowing where to start. It says it's a full body movement and luster. Yes, it is. I am getting that. Pre-plucked. This wig was actually, I must say, it looked really good. It looked really good. I just went in a little extra because I just been obsessing about plucking my wigs these days, like off camera while I haven't been filming, and I want to get like my wig laid. I want to be like, ooh, she know how to lay her wig. When I really figure out exactly how to pluck it the way I really want to, I'll probably do a part 2 to my plucking tutorial. Shout out to y'all because that video is doing really good. Check it out right here if you need some help with plucking up a synthetic wig. And it says it has a mesh cap. You did get that elastic band so you can kind of, I guess, wear it glueless. But for me personally, I like to go in and secure my wig. So, like I said, this hairline. Can we talk about the hairline? The hairline is looking phenomenal. If I wanted to go in and put this wig up, you absolutely can. Look at that. Look at that wig, y'all. Like, this is looking so good. It's looking so good. As far as the texture of this wig goes, this wig is definitely on the silky side. It is not a yucky wig. It is not a light yucky. It's a silky wig, but you know what? It's reminding me of a few Sensational wigs. It's kind of reminding me of Sensational Butter Lace. We love that one. But, like I said, this is human hair blends. So what that means is that we're getting upgraded with our premium synthetic fibers. You're going to get a little bit of synthetic hair mixed with a little bit of human hair. And it's not going to be as tangly and it's going to last long. Okay, sorry, I had to look it up. So this is reminding me of the Sensational Butter Lace Straight Wig. That one just had a standard lace part. This one you can part it wherever. This one is definitely thicker, and that one was a human hair blend as well, so that one definitely did hold up. It's also reminding me of the Sensational Straight 32 inches wig. I didn't review that wig on camera. I'm not sure. I don't think I did, but that one just had a standard lace part, y'all. So the density is definitely mimicking that, but you can part this wig wherever. It's a whole 13x6 lace frontal, and I'm so here for it. The texture feels amazing, y'all. I have been gliding my fingers through it. I do suggest that you go on with your products, y'all. This is a blend, but it also is synthetic, so keep that in mind. It's not as tangly as those other wigs, and I do like that. So I had to pause this part because this wig actually wasn't that tangly, and I slept in it, and it really did hold up, y'all. A little detangling in the morning, and it was good. I did go on with my products as far as my synthetic wig spray. I love this synthetic wig spray. It's an all-day synthetic wig spray. It's kind of like a conditioning wig spray, and I also do like to go in on top of that with either serum or the Simply Styling spray. I feel like with this kind of texture wig, this Simply Styling spray works a little bit better than using serum, because serum is a little bit thicker. It depends on the type of wigs of which products I use, and when I say serum, this is what I'm talking about, but it's all the same. Use a conditioning spray with a silicone spray or silicone product on top of it, and you gonna glide. You gonna glide. You gonna glide. As far as the length on this wig, like I said, it is 26 inches. So this is what it's looking like all the way in the front, and then in the back. As far as the density, this is the density of the wig. I feel like it's a really good density. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. This wig is really, really pretty, y'all. Like, it's really pretty. And that's it for key features. So how do I feel about this wig? Like I said, I love this wig. I want to go back and get more. I'm not getting much shedding with this wig. I did pluck up this wig some, but after that, I'm not getting much shedding. And I love that, because shedding on wigs is such a turn off for me. It's such a turn off. This is reminding me of Bobbi Boss Catherine. I love that wig as well, but it was shedding so bad that I just wanted to throw the whole wig away. This is not shedding that much, and after your initial like pull throughs or tweezing and cutting your lace, I don't feel like it's gonna shed that much. I'm here for it. Look at that! Look at that! Like, this wig is so pretty. I'm definitely getting more colors in this wig. Hands down, sensational. You sold me. If you're looking for a classic bust down middle part wig, this wig is it. This wig is definitely going to make my top wigs of 2023, the 5 wig reviews that I did for the year. I'm not getting much tangling on the ends of this wig, which I like as well. Some of these wigs, when they're synthetic and you start to go like silky straight like this, it starts to get ratty and tangly at the end. But if it does that, go on with your hot comb and just smooth it out. Smooth it out like that, and you can do that. Also, when you're done wearing this wig, what do I tell y'all? Go on with your Brandywine shampoo and conditioner, and I promise you, it's going to bring the wig back. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, check that video out right here, okay? Sorry, another quick pause. I did shampoo this wig after, and it held up so nice. I'm going to have a short video coming up, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, Brandywine shampoo and conditioner. What else? What else? What else do I want to tell y'all about this wig? I don't know, because she's so cute. Just get her. Add her to the cart. It's under $50, and this wig is a banger. I want to see a body wave version of this, and I also want to see a kind of mid-length version of this. Okay, sensational? Okay, okay. As far as installation goes, I did go in off camera. I was struggling with this wig. I don't feel like this wig is beginner friendly. I'm not sure if it's because I haven't put a wig on my head in such a long time that I was struggling with this wig. So I did go in with my bedhead spray. Y'all know how I feel about that. I used my bedhead spray to lay this wig down. But bedhead is not glue. It is a temporary adhesive. Use this or use your Evan spray. It's definitely going to hold that wig. And on the side, I did go in with my liquid Boho Gold gel, because I feel like on the side the spray doesn't hold the wig down. I did go in with a little bit of powder underneath, and just to kind of match the lace to my complexion. And I also did go in with this Wonder Bond melting spray. Now, I've been showing you guys this melting spray for a while now. If you see, I've been using it for a while. It's like half done, but I think I figured out how to use it. Go in with this kind of put some product in a container and use a brush to put it on, because this is really runny. This spray is really runny if you just spray it on. But this is the final touches of melting the wig down, and I think it's safe to say that she is melted. Okay, let me know what y'all think about this one. I like her. I really like this wig. I really do. I want to see more. I want to see more sensational. I want to see a yaki version. I want to see a shorter version. I want to see a body weight version. Keep this human hair premium fiber thing going, because you guys are onto something. Drop some comments down below. Let me know if y'all picking this wig up and how y'all feel about her. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.